Gbewaa Development, our mission, our pride, our heritage. The dawn of a new era is here. Gbewaa is rebuilding, reforming, and rebranding. Don't be left out of this momentous opportunity to be part of history. Support the reconstruction and modernization of the Gbewaa Palace and the Gbewaa Traditional Council Office Complex. Contributing to this vision will yield unparalleled dividends in the all-round development of Gbewaa in education, health, agriculture, business and commerce, peace and prosperity. And then Yana, His Royal Majesty Abukari II, on behalf of the chiefs and people, calls on all sons, daughters, associates, and well-wishers of Gbewaa to the launch of the Gbewaa Development Fund and sword curtain for the Gbewaa Palace construction on Saturday, 4th March 2023 at Yendi, time 8:30 a.m. prompt. The general public is encouraged to donate towards this worthy cause. No amount is too small. All donations should be channeled through GCB account number 8021180001339 and Momo lines 02002797768 and 05974071198. Gbewaa Development, our mission.